Ever wondered how to transform a humble can of sardines into a culinary masterpiece? Today, I'll show you 3 mouth-watering dishes that are not only quick and easy, but also packed with nutrition. From a spicy Sambal Sardine Fried Rice to a creamy Sardine Avocado Toast and a zesty Sardine and Onion Dip. These recipes will revolutionize your weeknight dinners. Let's start cooking. Let's first talk about canned sardines. There are many varieties of canned sardines. I'm using these canned sardines in tomato sauce. When you split open the sardines, you will find some bones running along the center of the sardine. Some people would remove these bones. Some others just leave it in. Me, I'll just leave the bones in because the bones are softened by the canning process, making them easily chewable and digestible. And they are excellent source of calcium. Also, sardines is also a good source of vitamin D, which in turn aids in the absorption of calcium. Let's start off with the Sambal Sardine Fried Rice. For this dish, we will need rice, sardines in tomato sauce. We will only be using 2 sardines here, 1 per serving. Diced onions, chopped garlic, sliced up red chilies, sambal, sugar, light soy sauce, tamarind paste, or lemon or lime juice if you do not have tamarind paste. To cook, put your pan over a medium heat. Add in some oil. And when the oil is hot, fry the onions for about a minute or 2 to soften the onions. Next, add in the garlic and chili. Chili here is optional. Fry all this till they are fragrant. Then, add in the sambal. Fry the sambal till your whole kitchen smells of sambal and the fumes go up your nose. Add in 2 sardines and the tomato sauce into the pan. Use 1 sardine per serving. Season this with sugar, light soy sauce, tamarind paste, or some lemon or lime juice. Add in a splash of water. Now, break up the sardines into smaller pieces. You can use a spatula to break up the sardines. But I've got this mincemeat masher that does a pretty good job. Next, add in the rice. For the best results, use rice that is dried and not too soft, like day-old rice from the fridge. Break up the rice as you incorporate the sardines with the rice. When they are all broken up, continue to fry the rice till they are relatively dry. Taste and adjust for seasoning. Next up, Sardine and Avocado Toast. For this, you will need sardines in tomato sauce, avocados, slices of toast bread, olive oil, sliced onions, chopped garlic, lemon juice, paprika, black pepper. Let's start with the bread. I find that sourdough and whole grain bread works best here. Put your pan over a medium-high heat. Before toasting the bread, drizzle it with some olive oil. Then toast the bread slices over the frying pan. Toast it till the bread is golden brown on one side or two. I'll leave that up to you. When they're golden brown, remove. In the same pan, add in some oil. And when the oil is hot, fry your onions and garlic for about a minute or two to soften the onions. Add in the paprika and black pepper. Next, add in the sardines and the tomato sauce from the can. Be careful, do not break the sardines. You want to keep them whole. Fry this for another minute. The sardines can be eaten as it is out of the can, so we just want to heat up the sardines here. When the sardines are heated through, turn off the heat. Split the avocado in half and remove the pit. Slice the avocado in its shell. Place the avocado onto the toast with the whole side facing up. Place the whole sardine onto the avocado. Top it with the onions and garlic. Squeeze some lemon juice over them. And you will have some great sardine and avocado toast. The third dish that we'll be cooking today is sardines and onion dip. For this, we will need sardines, diced onions, chopped garlic, some sliced red chili, 2 lime leaves. Each lime leaf comes in 2 sections. Therefore, you will need 4 sections altogether. If you are unable to find lime leaves, you can substitute it with some lime or lemon zest. Spinach, light soy sauce, sugar, lime juice, and toasted bread for dipping. To cook, put your pan over a medium-high heat. Add in some oil. And when the oil is hot, fry your onions. Give this about a minute or two, then add in your garlic, chili, and the lime leaf, or the lime or lemon zest, if you cannot find any lime leaves. Fry all these for another minute. I'm adding a little bit more oil here because it looks a bit dry. Next, empty 1 can of sardines and tomato sauce into the pan. Break up the sardines into smaller pieces. You can use a spatula here, but I have this mincemeat masher that comes in pretty handy for this sort of task. Next, add in your spinach. Season it with soy sauce, sugar, lime juice, and a splash of water. Bring all this to a simmer and let it simmer till the spinach wilts down. When the spinach is wilted, we are done. To serve, remove the lime leaves because they are very fibrous and very difficult to chew. Serve this with sourdough or whole grain sliced bread. Thanks for joining me on this sardine adventure. I hope you are inspired to try them out and add some variety to your meal routine. Always remember, a busy life doesn't mean you can't eat well. If you're hungry for more quick and nutritious meal ideas, be sure to check out these other videos. And I'll see you in my next video.